Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you here in the atrium of City Hall. Today we have an exciting announcement. We are discussing CAT's summer service with special service for the Hershey Entertainment and Resorts employees that are going to be commuting from Harrisburg to Hershey. I want to start by recognizing a few special guests in the audience. We have Mr. Brad Jones of Harristown, and we also are joined by board member Bruce Weber. Bruce, where'd you go? Oh, right behind me. That's fantastic. Yes. And Rich Kotz, who's just arrived. This is the 15th consecutive season that CAT has run summer service to the Hershey properties. And during those 15 years, CAT has transported more than 250,000 riders from the city of Harrisburg to Hershey. This year alone, CAT is anticipating that it will carry more than 35,000 riders from Harrisburg to Hershey over the course of the summer. Let's put that number in context. That's almost the size of the population of the city of Harrisburg. These riders are primarily workers. They live and reside in the city of Harrisburg, and they're going to be commuting daily via CAT buses to work in the Hershey Entertainment and Resorts properties. This is also a tremendous example of a public-private partnership because we have had CAT and Herco join together to purchase an articulated bus. And if you're not sure what an articulated bus is, think a bus joined together by an accordion-like connector, which is capable of carrying twice the number of riders that a regular bus can carry. So we're not only going to be increasing the number of riders per trip, but we're going to be reducing the operating costs, and part of this partnership entailed Herco committing over $10,000 as a local match in funding towards the cost of a rebuilt articulated bus. And we'd hope to have that for you to see this morning. It is still on its way, but it will be here for the high season. Now, as you know, public transportation plays a major role in local and regional economic development, employment expansion, and access to jobs. In fact, many of our city residents rely on public transportation to get to and from work on a daily basis. It's an important part of our future planning for the city of Harrisburg. We are currently engaged in a pedestrian safety campaign to eliminate pedestrian fatalities called Vision Zero. And as we think about those things, we're thinking about ways to reduce traffic congestion and provide greater and more equal access to everyone to key destinations within the city, as well as to serve the working and the aging populations of the city of Harrisburg. We have got two special guests today. We have Rich Farr, who's the Executive Director of Capital Area Transit, and we have Kathleen McGraw, the Director of Communications and Social Responsibility for Hershey Entertainment and Resorts. By way of introduction for Rich, who's going to come up and speak to you next, he's really done a tremendous job bringing everyone together at CAT to confront the difficult choices that really confront the region and allowing us to move forward with a strong vision for our transportation network. Rich, the podium is yours.
All right, thank you, Mayor. Thank you for those. Thank you for the great kickoff and those kind words. At Capital Area Transit, we're very excited to be able to partner with many partners, and we'll talk about some of those today. But you know, I think it's important when you look at Capital Area Transit, one of our taglines is that where CAT goes, community grows. And we think it's very important that transit links all kinds of people and places together, economic development, as well as just quality of life issues. We are particularly grateful for Hershey Entertainment and Resorts. We have a great partnership with them this year, and I know Kathleen's going to talk a little bit about the details with that, so I'll stay at a high level, but they were a partner with us in a different way. We receive state and federal funds to operate our service and to buy capital, and they were gracious enough to be a partner in the local share of the purchase of the bus that the mayor talked about. And it is an articulated bus. If you don't know what they are, they bend in the middle. They're 60 feet long, and they transport a lot of people. And we need that because we are transporting a lot of folks to work at Hershey. There are times that when the bus arrives, there's a 110 individuals standing at the curb waiting to board at one time to go to work. So the partnership with that vehicle, thank you very much, is going to be very, very important as we move forward. This is the 15th year that we've been doing this. It is a great service. I think when you look at it, there are a lot of economic benefits. It gives individuals jobs, which is something we're always looking to do. It allows those individuals who have jobs who will reside in the city of Harrisburg to spend their money downtown, which is great. They partake in the activities, they partake in the restaurants, and that's all part of the bigger picture of economic development, and transit is a partner at the table for that. We have some thank yous we'd like to give. Obviously, thank you to Kathleen for the local match. I'd like to thank the mayor, the city council, and the county commissioners of Dauphin County. They are partners. They are strong partners. We require local match, as I said, and they are the support of that. I'd like to thank the president of the council and all the council members. Very, very important. Brad got a shout out by the mayor. We thank him. He is with the International House where the students and the employees reside downtown, and that partnership is very, very important for us. Again, it connects it all together. And so we're very, very grateful. And so with that, I'm going to turn the podium over to Kathleen for some comments. Kathleen?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the introduction, Richard, and for having us today for this special event. Mayor Pappenfos and other esteemed guests, on behalf of our 1,700 full-time and nearly 7,000 part-time and seasonal employees, we are grateful for our ongoing collaboration with Capital Area Transit and are proud to partner with an organization that is so committed to serving our community and offering so many services on their routes. We are confident that this expanded service that's announced today will not only help our employees and guests, but our region as a whole. As everyone has stated earlier, for more than 15 years, our company has enjoyed a strong partnership with Capital Area Transit. With this expansion of 11 runs stopping at both Hershey Park and the Hotel Hershey, as well as 12 runs returning from the park and the hotel to Harrisburg, our company is now able to better serve our team members and guests who utilize this mode of transportation. With the arrival of our busy season this weekend, this expanded service will be invaluable to us as we offer additional solutions to our team members and guests alike. As has been stated, we are pleased to announce that Hershey Entertainment and Resorts has entered into a public-private partnership with Capital Area Transit, providing a local match of $10,020 for the articulated bus. We're also excited to say that this articulated bus will feature Hershey, PA branding, so the sweetest place on earth will be on the road between Harrisburg and Hershey starting in July. Throughout the year, it's estimated that we have approximately 5 million guests visiting Hershey, PA. This weekend, Hershey Park opens for our daily operating season, and we'll have new attractions at our boardwalk, the Breaker's Edge and White Cap Racer attractions, and we'll anticipate even more guests coming to Hershey. So again, we thank Capital Area Transit for helping offer this solution for our team members who are working in various departments across many properties around Hershey. Thank you again, and we look forward to ongoing collaboration with Capital Area Transit. And I'd like to invite Richard back to the podium.
That's all right. Good, yes. Well, summer is not upon us without a trip to Hershey. I can't wait. It's very exciting. This is the second time in months that we've come together to announce a major public-private partnership initiative with CAT. As you recall, some months back, we had a similar press conference regarding connectivity between city workers and warehouses, specifically Chewy's warehouse on the West Shore, added bus service there. Here we're talking about connections within Dauphin County, but both of these basically bring to the forefront common themes of the importance, the number of people that work in the city that are reliant on quality public transportation, and that infrastructure is enormous, and that's why we're doing this press conference here today. The need for CAT to work with private employers and to come up with creative solutions to problems, this is an excellent example of that. And I think it also highlights regional cooperation We need a strong regional transit system to help move the entire region forward because we are so interconnected in terms of jobs, in terms of economic development. So these are very exciting things. I'll note that you have a map of the route there that you can look at. All this is available for the one low fare ride, which is quite affordable to folks, and we are really, really excited. So with that, any questions about the new service, the new bus, CAT, its future, you name it? Okay.
Is
Yes.
service still $1.25 to ride,
The cost?
or $1.75?
It is $1.75, which when you think about it is really quite a deal. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for coming, and we appreciate it. And if you have questions for any of us afterwards, please come up and ask us. Thank you.